So, hello students, welcome to this orientation session on 12th economics. In this session, we are going to cover an overview related to 12th economics. So, let us go to the screen. So, we are discussing introduction to the 12th economics. So, as we know, this economics is a paper which has a weightage of 80 marks. Now, the format of this paper is theoretical questions plus objective questions. So, some theoretical questions will be asked and some objective questions will be asked. So, this is how a 80 marks question paper will be there. In the syllabus, we have introduction to the micro and macroeconomics, which is chapter number 1. In this chapter, important concepts related to micro and macroeconomics are analyzed. Chapter number 2 is utility analysis, where the important concepts like law of DMU and concept of utility are discussed. Chapter number 3 is divided in two parts. Chapter number 3A is demand analysis and chapter number 3B is the elasticity of demand. In chapter number 4, supply analysis is discussed. So theory of demand is discussed in chapter number 3 and theory of supply, that is producer's behavior, is discussed in chapter number 4. In chapter number 5, different forms of market like perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopoly are discussed. In chapter number 6, index numbers, its different types are discussed, practical problems are being discussed. In chapter number 7, concept of national income is discussed. Chapter number 8 deals with public finance in India, where important concepts related to public finance are discussed. In chapter number 9, money and capital market in India are covered. So different concepts related to money market, reforms in money market, structure of money market, structure of capital market, reforms in capital market. These concepts are covered in chapter number 9. And India's foreign trade is covered in the last chapter, that is chapter number 10. Now, this is the question paper pattern where 80 marks question paper will be there. Question number 1 will be objective questions for 20 marks. Question number 2 will be identify and explain the concepts for 6 marks and distinguish between for 6 marks. Question number 3 will be answer the following, where we have to write 3 answers for 4 marks each. Question number 4 is agree disagree, where we have to attempt the 3 statements for 4 marks each. Question number 5 is study the following table or diagram and answer the questions. Here 2 questions we have to solve, 4 marks each. And last question is answer in detail. Here we have to attempt the 2 questions for 16 marks. So this is the total question paper for 80 marks. Now, when it comes to objective questions, various types of objective questions will be asked, like choose the correct option, complete the correlation, complete the following statements, give economic terms, choose the wrong pair, assertion and reasoning, odd word out, etc. So friends, this is the pattern of the question paper and this is the overview of the syllabus of 12th economics. Now, if you want to prepare well for this particular subject, 12th economics, kindly contact on these numbers and on this address, because we have introduced a virtual course for 12th economics. So stay tuned with us and do contact on these numbers. Take care. Keep studying. Thank you so much. All the best.